How's it going? Okay, so I've been trying to find new hobbies besides YouTube videos, and it kind of got me distracted. Lately I've been watching a lot of TV shows, so I've been collecting a lot of DVDs. It was pretty fun. A few days ago I decided to buy some more DVDs, and I thought to myself, hey, let's film myself in an elevator, because I was thinking about making a video with elevator footage. Do you know how hard it is to film yourself in the elevator and make sure it looks like you're in an actual elevator? Ah, come on. It's pretty annoying, but you know, I don't want to feel like I wasted that footage, so maybe at some random points of the video I'll just show some of the elevator footage. Water heating system. Water, the thing you use when you want your water to be hotter. And not plastic surgery, I mean just some kind of thing you put water in it and it becomes hotter. There's something you put water in it and the water becomes warm. Anyways, I have one of those things now. And it's pretty cool. It's entirely transparent, so you can see the water being cooked. Okay, there's only one problem. Every time you press a button or at least want to fill it with water, you hear this annoying sound. Man, it's annoying. You thought microwaves were annoying? Well, this thing is more annoying. Try making tea in the night. Okay, I'm actually more of a coffee person, but you know, around evening and night, I just drink tea. Now I can get my evening tea or late night tea because that stupid thing. Well, it's not that stupid. Speaking of microwaves, a few days ago my microwave exploded. Yeah. So what happens was that I was watching this cooking tutorial and the person said that I had to melt my butter in the microwave. Maybe I just used the wrong kind of butter or something. Yeah, I left the microwave longer than usual. But I stood there and thought to myself, well, it's not gonna explode or anything. Just don't try that at home. Don't try to make your microwave explode. If you want something to explode, make your brain explode out of intelligence. Become so smart that your brain explodes. Blow your brain up, not your microwave. Wait a second. I don't need to go here. Oh well. You're probably watching my videos and think of me as a weird person. You probably wonder if there are more people here when I record videos. Yeah, I found the solution of recording videos in your home when there are other people around. Splinter. Look how smart it is. Yeah, I'm a pretty boring person. No one wants to invite me to the parties anymore. It was this during New Year's Eve we were playing this game where you either had to improvise or draw some object or a person, and the other person had to guess what the thing was. Now this is the thing. It's a kids game. Of course, there's most simple drawings, and then there's me with the most weird answers ever. Boy Scout leader. Boy Scout leader, janitor? Oh, no. Astronaut dental assistant. Accountant manager. Astronaut dental assistant. Oh no. No, 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 no. Why do you gotta be waterproof? Hours have passed and it's still on the table. Why? No. Close. Close. Yeah, it's closed. Finally. Well, that's pretty much what I have to say today. Okay, bye.